Hi everyone, I am Dhriti Jagashet and my friend here, Tweety. She is this little sparrow that comes to my house every morning. One day, while I was feeding her, her plate broke, and that's when I felt the need of having a bird feeder for her. So, here's how to make a bird feeder from a plastic bottle. You will need a cutter, marker, glue, paints, brush, bottle, and pieces of paper. Remove the tag of the bottle and make sure it is clean to use. Stick the pieces of paper to the whole bottle with glue and water using same amounts of each. It should look like this. Draw and cut a hole in the bottle from where you'll fill in the grains. It should look like this. Paint it in the colors you like. You can use a green, yellow, or any other bright color. It can look like this. Paint only the outside as the inside is plastic and poster paints won't be able to paint that. Take a net bag filled with bird seeds and push the top of the bag through the hole and put in the bottom somewhat like this. You can make bird feeders of different colors or of different shapes and sizes. Enjoy watching your bird peck its seeds to glory.